my tea out right here. We have an unboxing from Nicole Jacqueline's. I love her little like box is so cute, but it's her side is Slime by Nicole Jacqueline on Instagram. Let me get some of this. It is Slime by Nicole Jacqueline. Cute. So I'm just waiting for this box. I'm waiting for this box. Yeah, so this is how it worked. So she got me, she got some borax and dots and her little care cards. I ordered them before. It just has like this bow left. You didn't see that, but it's so cute. And it's Shop Nicole Jacqueline on Instagram. And so I ordered from her. I ordered a dimple. Oh, this is very nice. It's like it's a lot bigger than I thought it is, but I like that. I don't have a dimple yet. I didn't have a dimple yet. So I was really excited to finally have my first dimple. I ordered another one, but it's my first one. So cute. Next one. It's so cute. I have one of. It's my DNA ball that I ordered the DNA. So cute. I ordered a DNA ball. I have never owned a DNA ball. I ordered just a regular. I was like, what's the hype with DNA balls? I get the hype. I get it now. Like, and the beads are soft. They're like meat, they're like rubber kind of deal. Real pretty. Go order Nicole Jacqueline. They're clear. Go order these. I get it now. I was like, what's the hype with these? And they're just like always ball, but the beads are bigger, but no. I can't believe I have one about my collection now. My collection is this big thing down here, and it's big, and probably bigger than me. I'm exaggerating, but like it's huge. So now I can add like keychain too. Like cutest keychain. There's like 4 and 5, I think, which is good prices for these little things. Okay. And then next, so when I order this stuff, when I ordered these, it was like a special time where if you ordered like on like that, it was like that, not this weekend but last weekend. If you would have ordered like that weekend, you would have gotten a free signed slime. It's free, literally free. I'm like, by Nicole Jacqueline herself. It's signed by her. I was like, I had to order it, and I'm not even sure which one this is. I think it's like the, I don't know which one this is. It smells like really good though. I don't know what it is though, because it's free and it's for you. But I will definitely get Hunter. I can like figure this out. I can like look at the. I will definitely get on her website and try to figure this out. I know I probably could, but I will bring all that. I feel like Rice Krispie treat or no. Oh my goodness. And like I'm not a very I like to use your hands. They're a little sticky, but that's just how stuff always is. But it's like the prettiest white little Nicole Jack. And like it feels like so sweet and feels really good. He's like sitting on me, but it's fine. It's so cute. So exciting. What was this plugin that was supposed to come till tomorrow, but it came a day early, and I love it. Oh my favorite out of all three is probably the DNA ball. I'm just saying, my favorite is probably the DNA ball. It's just like cool. I didn't think a DNA ball. Oh, I just didn't think I didn't know what to expect. Oh god, I love this. I've ordered one slime from her before. I've ordered from her once. I've never got. I ordered for her when I ordered from her. She was just selling slime. So when I ordered from her, she wasn't selling fidgets yet. She was just selling slime. But I finally ordered fidgets from her. I had to support her. But there's this cute little packaging. She gave me literally dots. But I don't like dot like. And then she gave me it's really good thank you for your purchase, and then this is the like if you want to look the card, this is her stuff. You can pause it if you want to read it, and this is like thank you for your order and all the slime here. What are you doing, Reggie? No, Reggie, no. And it's like not. Yeah, Reggie. No, I got one I saw from Purple Stars 02, like one of Nicole's big best friends, Kayla. I watched all the videos. I watched like all three of them, but all three too. I watched all three, like Sierra, Nicole, and Kayla. I think get a little foggy, but it's just gonna be playing with it. But I love this. I get why this is like everyone has them, like, but. I saw that 2 had a like dynamic one, probably like the size of this, probably. My Amazon was $20, but it was like with these are like plastic. When I was doing unboxing, I got that one, so I was not gonna spoil, but I had to. This is the funnest. Why do I not open these? Like, why? You got it. You got it. No, you got it. Over there. I can tell he's I have like an ottoman. He doesn't use it for my bed because he can't ever get it by himself because it's a kind of big jump. Did you see my camera? That's so cute. That's a hair right now. Got some of my dog hair. I want to help my dog up. I got dog hair on it, but I will wash off it. I like the dimple too. I love the keychain. I definitely have to order more from her. I love how packaging and how like quality. Like, this is not gonna pop. This is like a really good quality. And the slime, I can still smell it. It's in the container. Like it's that fire. It's literally fire. I want to eat it, but I need don't eat slime. Do not eat this. But it's just like it smells really good that you would want to, but you shouldn't. But it just smells that good that you want to. I'm gonna go wash my DNA ball. I'm gonna put this in my collection. Take the lid off. Toss it in. I'm gonna go wash. I'm gonna put it back in the box, like wrapping. I spent. I'm gonna keep like the carry-on section and the wrap section. Just going to slap my little half of the little baggie. And the candy so yeah, I love that. This is my slime collection. I'm gonna go wash it. I'll be back in like a minute. Got the slime. I just put the slime in my slime collection. Now we're gonna go wash it. I washed it and it looks like so much better than when the wash it just looks so much more clear. I love the color. When I was like, what is the hype between these DNA ball things? It's a DNA ball, but I was like, I'll get one because I've always like wanted to see what the hype is. And amazing. I'm definitely gonna be ordering DNA balls like when I go to places, or I'm definitely gonna be ordering and buying DNA balls from this point on because they're amazing and I love it. I'm sorry this is such a long video, but yeah. But don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Just farted really bad. I'll see you guys next time, and don't forget to go shop Nicole Jackson. Slam by Nicole Jackson. Say bye, Reggie.